Are you confused as to how you can use lip and cheek tints? Here's a guide on all the ways that you can use them. Hey cuties, I'm Romella, and in today's video I am going to do a full face of makeup using only lip and cheek tints. So let's get started. I'm super excited and nervous.
Starting off with the base, I'm applying the Plum Soft Blend Foundation. It's super hydrating, lightweight and gives a very natural finish. I'm going to conceal my under eyes using the concealer for that extra coverage. Now moving on to the exciting part, I'm going to use the shade Mauve Along as my contour shade to lightly contour my cheeks, jawline, forehead and also my nose. Then I'm going to use the shade Tickled Pink to add that flush of color on my cheeks. A little bit on my nose as well. And using the same pink shade, I'm going to apply a little bit on my eyelids for that very subtle eyeshadow look. Then I'm going to use the shade Divine and apply it as my lipstick shade. These lip and cheek tints are super lightweight, highly pigmented and blend like a dream. They also give a super matte finish, which I absolutely love.
So that is it for the video, guys. That is how I do my full face of makeup using only lip and cheek tints, literally under 5 minutes. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, then don't forget to hit like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.